How to order on McDonald's app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application McDonald's. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you're in here, head over to order at the bottom. Move into the specific item that you want to buy. Once again, choose your favorite meal. Select the quantity and then tap on add to bag at the bottom right corner. Well, you can choose the size of the meal and then click on select drink. Now you'll be able to select the drink that you want. Once you have selected, tap on add to bag. Review your order and tap on checkout now at the bottom. This interface will appear in your screen. It will sum up the total amount that you have to pay. Tap on choose payment at the bottom right corner and then select your payment method. Enter the detailed information of your card and then make a payment. Once the payment is done, your order will be placed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on McDonald's app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.